Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right, so today I want to show you a very nice diminished passing chords. So we're going to be in the key of F sharp. So I'm going to make sure I teach this in a way that you're going to get it. So let me say this first. My usual style is I demonstrate first, then I teach. So teaching means I'll call out the notes so that you'll be able to write it down and practice on your own, because I believe that's the best way to learn. Yeah, so please, I demonstrate first, then I teach. All right, so let's go. So now we're gonna do this song. We give you. So that's supposed to be a 7-3-6 chord movement from here. 1 7 3 6. But we're not gonna do this today. We're going to actually try to do this with some very nice diminished chords. So instead of doing 1 7 3 6 or for you are great, you do 7 3 6. So that's two songs like that. So we are not going to do this. We are not going to do any of this. Look at what we are going to do today. What we are learning today. We are trying to do this now today. Let's start with the first song. Now note, this is still demonstration. I'm yet to call the notes. So now we'll do this. For you are great. So we'll do this. You do miracles. So right. So this is what we're gonna learn today. So instead of doing for you are great, you do 7 3 6. Instead of doing that, we'll do diminished movement. So we're gonna do this. So I will show you the notes. I will show you the notes in the key of F sharp, because this course is in F sharp. But before then, I want to introduce you to my intermediate piano course. If you've not gotten your copy, it is you can see this flyer on the screen. I taught all those courses in it over 2 hours video. It comes with PDF, it comes with MIDI files, and everything you need to actually learn everything. It goes for $7,500 for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people abroad. So if you've not gotten your copy, you should go to the About section of this channel, click the seller link there. You're going to see it there, or just chat me up on WhatsApp to buy your copy. My contact is on the home page of this channel. All right, so let's get to the business of the day. I also have other courses. You can check them on the seller store also. All right. Okay, so for people who would like to learn chords also, I have my 500 professional advanced chord book. It's also on the seller store, and you can also chat me up. So let's go. Let's see what we have today. So now I want to teach this. Okay, so what we are doing is there's this diminished chord that goes over the 7 so naturally we could have done a chord like this. On our 7, we could have done your 1, the diminished 7. That's a 1, minor third, flattened 5th, and then your 6th. They call it double flat, 7 double flat. So you could have done something like this. Look at this. You could have done F sharp, diminished 7 to your 3, F diminished 7. That's your 1, and then your 7, then to your 6. So this is like a bonus. So you could do that. 1 7 3. These are F sharp, F sharp, diminished 7, then F diminished 7, then to your F sharp major 7. Yeah, but instead of that, we are doing drop 2. If you don't know what drop 2 is, just comment in the comment section. I will send you a link of videos to watch. All right, so we are doing the drop 2 so of this voicing. So we have something like this, which is naturally this is E flat diminished 7 chord, but now we are doing the drop 2. So we are taking the A to this part. If you don't know how that is, just comment in the comment section. Everything is also in my intermediate piano course also. You can get it to learn more about that. Right, so you do this chord on your 7. So when the bassist hit, when it hits the 7, which is F in the key of F sharp, you would do. So you go from this chord, which is A on the left, E flat, F sharp, and C on the right. Then so you should write that down. Then it goes to C on the left, G flat, A and E flat on the right. So we have a ba, then the next one, B on the left, F, A flat, D on the right. So that's the first one. Then D on the left, the next chord, D on the left, A flat, B and F on the right. Then your left hand goes to your 6, which is E flat, B flat and F sharp, while your right hand does something like this. So it goes something like this. So it hits E and A flat together. Then the your first finger playing E will go to F. Okay, your first finger held E, then your middle finger will go to F. So like this. So that's the first process. Then you're gonna hit E flat and G flat together. So like this. Then one more time. Then so together, let's use the two songs. The first one. Or let's do the second song. For you are great, you do miracles so good. Or you can do for you are great. You can do something like this. You do. You can do a slow from G to A. So you can do something like this. Then so it's slow from G to A. Okay, so you have a it's slow from G to A, then a slow from B flat to C. Then another slow from A to B with this same chord. Then another slow from C to D. Then you do your stop. So for you are great, you do miracle. So one more time. For you are great, you do miracle so great. Right. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. So don't forget to get my intermediate piano course to learn most of these stuff very well, properly. And also don't forget to check the other lessons we have on this channel. We have over 900 lessons on this channel. Wow, that's a lot. So God bless you.